Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
That's good. So my name is Kelsey. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. I probably said that very wrong.
It's almost correct, like Ahmed.
Almost correct. Well, I
Yeah,
appreciate
it's
the the positive reinforcement.
Kelsey. You
So
have such a beautiful name,
thank you.
Kelsey. I have been trying to pronounce your name, but I think I was wrong because I think I pronounced like Kelsey.
It is Kelsey.
Kelsey. So
Yes.
You can Kelsey or Kelsey.
So it's Kelsey. The A is silent,
Yeah, Kelsey, like a C.
like the C. Yes. My mother's gift to all of us children was complicated names.
Wow.
So
So, do you have a sibling?
I have many siblings. I have six brothers and three sisters.
Wow, it's a big family.
Yes, a very big family. Do you have a family? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have two siblings, two brothers.
Okay, that must
Yeah,
be.
yeah. You can call it like a small family.
hmm I
Yeah.
I actually have I have a small family. I like to think of us as a small family. I have a son and two daughters, and that is enough for me. I grew up in a big family. I don't care to have one. So,
Yeah, nowadays because it's hard to raise them and to care about to take care about them and if they become like 4 and 5, it's very hard.
yes. I don't know how my mother did it, honestly. Just having
Yeah,
the
how
three.
many hours do you teach online?
So I would say I probably teach about 27 hours a week. Not much, about
20.
27 hours a week.
uh like a week, like how many hours a day? I didn't catch you, sorry.
A day, sorry, I think our connection is really slow right now.
Yeah.
Um, no, a day I would say maybe it depends on the day, but 4 to 8 hours. Some days I work eight, some days I only do four.
Like you make teaching online full-time job
Kind of, yeah.
only on Cambly, or
Since
you have another platforms that you work within?
No, I really don't want to figure out anything else. I'm doing Cambly because, quarantine.
Yeah.
I normally, so I'm an interior designer, and it's a luxury job. Nobody needs interior designers when the world is ending and everybody's dying.
I was
So,
going, sorry to interrupt you. I was going to ask you about interior design. What does that mean?
yes. So, a lot of people confuse interior design with interior decorating.
Okay.
Interior decorating would be, you know, helping someone pick out their furniture, their couches, their curtains,
Hmm.
their accessories, right? Interior design would be designing. Sorry, they're doing construction next door. I don't know if you can hear that.
Yeah, I can hear them. It's okay.
Um, but yes, so interior design would
Yeah.
be designing the layout of the inside of a building or a small space.
Like
Um,
if I buy a new house and I need someone
and
to
you
help me with the pick out the furniture, the colors, all these
mhm.
stuff like this.
You would call so in theory the jobs go hand in hand. Usually an interior designer will also do interior decorating. Um, I do interior decorating, but my specialty is interior design. I really like designing kitchens and bathrooms,
Mm-hmm.
Small commercial spaces is what I seem to get most often, but it's mostly the stuff that you don't buy, the stuff you can't go to the store and buy. The things that, you know, taking down a wall, putting up the countertop, putting in an extra window, things like that, right? Another
Yeah.
room, an extra doorway. That would be the design part.
So yeah, how long have you been doing this job?
Um, about 4 years.
Are you good at it?
I am not bad at it. I think the biggest problem I run into with my profession is that a lot of people want your advice. They don't want to actually pay you to do it. They want to consult you. And so I mostly do consulting. I haven't done any big projects in a while. It's just
Uh-huh.
cheaper for people to do it themselves, you know? They want your
Yeah,
ideas and then
yeah.
they want to do it themselves because it's cheaper.
Especially with all these technologies, so you can like browse the internet and see what is
Right.
the fits, and that's what I did like in my house when I chose the colors of the painting of the wall and the furniture, all this stuff. I had to think many times about all these things.
Yes. It affects our lives more than people realize, how our spaces are designed and um, you know, the wall color, even something so much as the wall color can really affect your mood. And I mean, if you have
Yeah,
a really I had this one lady who actually hired me to do her kitchen, and she was
yeah.
showing me the rest of her house and saying she had ideas, and I saw her bedroom and it was bright yellow. And she said, "Oh, I don't like to spend time in there." And I said, "Well, it's probably because it's yellow." And she's like, "Oh no, I love yellow." And I'm like, "I love yellow too. It's my favorite color. But in your bedroom, it's going to be cause a lot of anxiety." It was like sunflower yellow.
Sunflower.
Oh my goodness.
It's like dark yellow.
It was like neon yellow, like the brightest, most
Oh
happy yellow
wow!
you can
Oh
think
my
of.
goodness!
A beautiful
How
yellow
can
for
they sleep?
accessories. I don't know. It would give me a headache, really, um, to have to
So
look
what?
at that. So I can understand why she didn't spend time in there.
Actually, to be honest, my bedroom is also a yellow color, but it's like
Hmm.
not like dark yellow. It's like the shades of yellow look like a lemon. It's very
Hmm.
light, not
There are
very
happy
dark.
yellows to put in a room, absolutely. It's about
Yeah,
shade and texture even sometimes. My walls, we just moved here, so my walls are all still white. I I run into a problem when I'm designing my own spaces is that, well, I have this, I know what I want, but then I have the thought if people are going to come into my home, I do this
okay.
professionally. People are going to come into my home and judge my home on my work. So
Yeah,
they're going to look at my
yeah.
space, and if they don't like it, they're not going to want to hire me. So I run into this problem of I should do something that everybody would like, but then I'm torn because no, I should do what I want to do and just trust it and go with it. And so my walls are white right now. I can't
Actually,
decide.
you can like
Um,
you can't satisfy all your customers with the colors that you painted in
exactly.
your
And that's
house.
so
Maybe
true.
yeah, maybe you like this color, but maybe they don't like this colors. And actually, I painted my house this year twice
Hmm.
because we had the quarantine and we don't have anything to do, so all I did like paint this wall and change this wall all this stuff.
In theory, I love white walls, but I have
Mhm.
children, and white walls are a terrible idea when you have children.
Yeah, it's the wall. It's not like a whiteboard.
Yes, exactly. It's just a blank space for them to color and put their hands on and
Yeah,
Play-Doh, you know?
yeah, and there's a there's a paint are very good and expensive.
Mm,
You can wash it with the water
exactly. They do make really good paints like that. Usually they're oil based, which is fine because I actually do like a little bit of shine on my wall,
Yeah,
but I do find that after washing the oil paints a couple of times, when you wash the surface a couple of times, you'll start to notice that the places you've washed the most often are a little less shiny. It definitely
Ye-
looks like you were it looks
yeah.
patchy. So you just
What does that mean, patchy?
patchy,
Patchy.
like
I like this word.
there are patches of places that weren't painted as well as other places. Um,
Like a fingerprint or like a print of the head, the hands.
yes, like you see handprints and places where you've scrubbed, you know, scratches and it doesn't so it's a good idea if you have children, but after a while you have to repaint again. That's why I always buy extra paint, always, because you
Yeah,
need it.
yeah. I feel you. I feel you because I have kids, and all this stuff happened to me in the past, and it's still
Yes,
happening.
yes. So you have kids. Are they small? Are they young kids?
I have three kids. The first one, she's a girl. She turns 10 years old, and the second
Aw,
one 6 year old, and the third one 3 year old. So my problem with 3 year old is always touch the walls and paint and
yes.
write on the wall.
Then you understand me because my
Yeah, yeah, I
oldest is
can feel you.
5, my youngest is 1, and my middle child is 3. So all of my children are at wall touching age.
That's why that I told you like I painted my whole house uh, twice in this year.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
I do love the color white. In fact, if I could just leave all of my walls white, I love the idea of having white walls and then your furniture
yeah,
being the color, you know, and texture, and then just having a blank slate. You could change it to however you wanted, whenever you want. Um, that's what I love about
yeah.
white.
Because if you yeah, because if you like paint the wall like a green or yellow, you
You have
have to to choose your the furniture and
mhm,
and the
exactly.
rug and all stuff with that
Forever
color.
has to match
But
that wall. Yes.
exactly, yeah. But yeah, in my opinion, I prefer no. Um, I prefer the color off white color.
Hmm.
It's
That's a
very
good color
it's
too.
yeah. It makes me relaxing.
It's not as stark. That's what my walls are. There's a very small amount of yellow in them, and so it's not so bleak, you know, it's not so harsh. It won't give you
Yeah.
a headache, you know? So
Yeah, definitely, yes.
mhm.
Actually, I have been thinking to change my bedroom color to a gray, like light gray.
Hmm.
It's very nice and it's very popular nowadays.
Yes, gray. Actually, my bedroom in our previous house was gray, and so was my
Yeah.
kids' bedroom. Actually, their bedroom was a
Uh-huh.
dark gray. I'm thinking about doing the same thing for their bedroom here. You know, I kind of, and I think I might regret it, but I kind of want to go and paint our bedroom like a very sort of taupey pink color, you know. I think my husband will hate it.
For your bedroom or the kids' bedroom?
For my bedroom, I'm thinking of doing like a, not like pink, you know, not like pink, but how to explain, like a seashell, not a seashell pink. That's another terrible description.
You will drive him crazy.
Yes,
if you
I
paint
think he'll be so
pink
mad
color.
at me if I do it. He'll be so
Yeah,
angry.
yeah.
So really, I think that I'll paint our bedroom like a gray blue color, you know. I'm thinking of doing one wall a dark blue, our feature wall a dark blue, and then the rest like a gray blue. We'll see.
So you use like the same like you just wall paint the side, what do you call it, like the one side wall with the one color, and the other three side with another color. Am I right?
An
just
accent
just
wall.
like me.
Yes.
If you can see this color, and this is one side
Yes, I actually do
wall
like your
color.
wall color here.
Yeah, and this is another like color for the rest of the room. This is like
Yes.
like a white color.
Yeah, it helps to just add something to look at, you know, it's aesthetically pleasing to have that extra color in there to break up the, you know, the wash of color. So you don't have like just a, you know, one color going all the way around. It can make the room seem small.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you add that extra wall, it gives the eyes something to look at further away. So makes it seem a little bit bigger.
And if you put some paintings like this, you can see
Art on the
you
wall.
will, yeah, you will change or you will change the darkness of that color, because it's obviously it's very dark, but I put it like paintings to like to reduce that darkness.
Right, right.